nice villa, guys. It is actually the third day of our 30-day weight loss challenge. So join us as we visit Gallions Park. So over there they have this man-made hill, and let's see if there's actually a view of London City on top. Join us. Ayan, so we're approaching the man-made hill, guys. We're gonna go on top and let's see what kind of view we're gonna see over there. So we're going inside the park now. Go, baby, go. Oh, wow. So you can actually run up the hill. And yeah, ayan, hinihingal na ako, guys. So takbuhin natin pataas. Baby! Yeah, ouch! Oh my god! Oh, shit. Oh my god. Wait. Ala, medyo slippery pala. Ayan. First hill na inakyat namin is actually nice. Pero hindi ito yung pinakamataas, ha? That one yung pinakamataas. So we have to go up there to see the view. And they have this little park here. Ayan, guys, aakyatin na namin yung mataas na hill. So we're halfway there sa hill. So this trail is actually going round before you can get on top. Oh my god. Hinihingal na ako. OMG. That's actually where our flat is. That brown building behind. So, ayan, guys, let's continue with our jog. Ayan. So we came down there earlier. Okay, let's go, guys. Ayan, guys. We arrived at the hill peak now. Oh my god, napagod ako. Shites. And yeah, we'll show you the view from up here. That's our house right there. Boink. You can see the River Thames over there. And yeah, look at that. Almost sunset again, guys. Our view for today. Ta-da! Yan, guys, napagod na kami. So, bababa muna kami. And then, doon na kami magja-jog sa baba. Pero napagod na ako doon na. Anyway, the view was worth it, guys. So, ayan. There, the view. So, it doesn't look like we live in London anymore. It looks nice. I like the area. Go, run. Oh my god. Hindi naman. Then, ayan, guys, so we finished with our workout. That was just like 40 minutes of workout. So we're on our way home now, and Thank you so much for watching my vlog and saranghae everyone!